New to Salt Lake? Or just looking for something new to do after work? Beehive Sports has you covered. Since 2011, two friends, then more, then many more, then many more have been meeting all over the city to play casual, co-ed recreational sports. This year alone, thousands of 20, 30, and 40-somethings came out to parks all around Salt Lake to meet people, have fun, and play sports together. Play what, you ask? Well, there's kickball, flag football, soccer, sand volleyball, softball, and many more leagues to choose from. You can join with your friends, co-workers, or by yourself, and we'll pair you with a like-minded team. So there's only one question left. Want to play?